New tonight at 5, it may get easier to get at-home COVID tests in the next few weeks because both Nevada and the federal government right now are working on getting more tests into the hands of people.
Let's get right to 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen. He is live with more on the push to have more testing kits available. Jeremy.
Yeah, Todd and Tricia, there's no doubt testing sites like the one here at Texas Station are pretty popular for people right now wanting to make sure they don't have COVID as they get tested. But it's still hard to find a place that has at-home rapid tests available. Now there's a multi-pronged approach to address this shortage. It's a winter of seeking answers, with test sites busy with people wanting to know if they have COVID-19 and Valley stores out of COVID-19 tests. The Biden administration saying it's aware of the need.
We know that Omicron has created a tremendous amount of interest and need with regard to testing, and we're raising a commensurate response.
President Biden announced 1 billion at-home rapid tests have been ordered to be given out to people for free. Federal officials say a website and phone hotline will soon be set up for people to request them. Production of tests are also expected to ramp up to 350 to 400 million next month for sale at retailers.
We've been really working to not just bring more to market, but also scale up their operations. So we're getting more tests out there quickly. And
complementing federal efforts, Governor Sisolak announced 500,000 rapid tests have been ordered with federal COVID relief funds. He says there is a request to fast-track the shipments of these tests as soon as possible to meet the current need, with the first shipments coming at the end of the month.
We know that Nevadans want easy and convenient access to COVID-19 testing from the comfort of their own home. And this project will help us accomplish that goal and help relieve some of the strain on our other testing systems.
The governor says the kits will be shipped directly to community partners like libraries, health districts, and chambers of commerce.
We want to get them in hands of people as soon as we possibly can, so rather than have to accept them and then reship them.
Governor Sisolak says the state is still finalizing plans on the hours of distribution and how many COVID tests are going to be given to each particular site. Now, health officials are asking people, if you do test positive with those at-home kits, to confirm that with a PCR test. Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.